to share with you one of my design team projects for Country Craft Creations for September. And I created an 8x10 mini album with a 2.5-inch spine using the Authentique Rejoice collection. And this is my second project with that collection, and I just love it. And there's a third one coming soon, which I think you guys are going to really enjoy. So like I said, it's 8x10 with a 2.5-inch spine. I actually had originally thought that it would actually be smaller, the spine. I wanted a thinner spine. I wanted more of a slim book, but this book had a mind of its own, so it turned out just really, really nice, and I really love it. So on the cover here, I just used some of the pattern paper from the collection, and these are the 3x4 cut aparts. And so I just cut them apart and I matted them all on some white cardstock, and the same thing here with the, this is one of the stickers from the sticker sheet, and I just cut that out on some, I just put it on some white cardstock and just trimmed around it, and then the rest is just the paper. And I actually decided to just leave the spine with just the Kraft. I really kind of like that look on this album. So this album does not have a closure because it doesn't really require one. As you can see, it stays closed really nicely. So when we come into the first page here, I left the inside front cover with just this beautiful paper because I really just wanted to enjoy the paper. I love all the different designs, and I love that it represents so many of the designs that are in this book. So I just left it because I really did enjoy that. And then on page 1 here, there is a gatefold right here. And then back here, there's a large pocket with an insert right here with a large insert, and then it also has a side pocket with a really large insert in it as well. And then when we get to page 2 here, this has a double pocket with a cutout frame, so the inserts can come out and then slide back in, and it's the same one, same thing for this bottom one here. Really, really cute. And then again, it has the large insert that comes out of the side pocket here. All right, and then page 3 has a large waterfall on it. So this is one of the times where this book had a mind of its own. I had originally planned on just this being the closure for the page, just the pocket here with the insert, but it just didn't want to lay flat, so I actually added a magnetic closure over top of it, and I actually really like the way it looks. So I'm very, very happy with that. And then again, it has the large pocket insert up here, and then again, one on the side here. And then page 4 has this really beautiful diagonal double pocket. So if I take the inserts out, it has a large insert that goes in the back here, and then one that just slides into this pocket here. And this is one of the 3x4 cut aparts from the collection. And then the it again has the large side insert here, and the large insert that comes out of this top pocket up here. And then here is another cutout frame that I did. Obviously this is much larger than the other one, and I really love this frame. And then again has the side pocket here, and then it does not have the other pocket, but it's the same size, pretty much the same insert, except you can see it down in here. And then page 6 is identical to page 5. And so there's a large insert that comes out of here. And again, the large insert that comes out of the side here. And I just used a lot of the stickers. Some of them I matted onto Kraft cardstock and cut around them. And some of them I just stuck right on. And I like both looks a lot. And then all the way at the back here, we have a really nice large magnetic pocket that opens like that. And again, I used one of the beautiful 3x4 cut aparts right here. So it's quite a nice pocket. It does have a 3/4 inch deep pocket there. So really, really nice to add all your extra photos and things from your events. So a really, really nice book album for gift giving. It comes together pretty darn quick, I think, and I just really, really enjoyed creating it. So there is a full tutorial for this book, and there will also be the full cut list linked below this video, or sorry, not linked, posted below this video, and the full cut list will also be below the tutorial video, and I will link the tutorial video below this one as well. And everything that I used for this book can be purchased at Country Craft Creations, and it will also be linked down below both videos. So I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and remember to share your makes, and if you haven't yet, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.